Money Train Entertainment, bitch. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Like it or love it, hate it or take it. You feel me? Ha! Good money, nigga. You already know it. Money Train gang. Money Train gang.
Prepare to strike as I ignite the blaze. Phony ways, niggas slaved by AKs on missions to get paid. Tell you something about the hustle today. It's a bitch, hater, snitch, niggas lit. Police harassing cliques that be thick. Well known through the motherfucking hood. All comes with the territory of transporting goods. Penitentiary bound, do that bedtime and bounce. Hit that bank account back on top once I serve that first ounce. Should I be reformed? Number one, check out for payback. Bad hand dealt the first deck. Number two, check. Motherfuckers can't fade me. Now what have you done for me lately? Except for the shady. Number three, check. It's a must. Hard to trust, man, I bust. Like living ain't enough. Shit is rough and it takes a strong mind. Some niggas ain't gon' make it as we proceeded from 9-9. Fresh on the block when they purchased the Glock. Hit the fucking spot, then I purchased some rocks to the young niggas. Pay attention to this track, the game ain't the same. Avoiding setbacks, getting crucial. No longer doing the things that I'm used to. Instead of shooting ball, I've been participating at funerals. Lacking proper minerals, right? Up all night like USA, trying to keep my money tight. The gang could get confusing, think wrong, you're losing. Find you on your ass, fucking weed, smoke abuse, man. Caught with your tool in the side of your waist. Passed out in your car, couldn't even get chased. Now watch him break, because it's written over his face. I can't relate to niggas slipping, trying to move weight. Is it a snake or the heart of a buster bursting like a grape? Man, these niggas fake, we must eliminate. I be the rover patroller, polo stitches like a boulder, for turning niggas over like a poster. Well forgotten, kids be starving. For this I pull a hearing, no remorse to leave your mom's heart throbbing. Fresh on the block when they purchased the Glock. Hit the fucking spot, then I purchased some rocks to the young niggas. Pay attention to this track, the game ain't the same. Avoid setbacks.